Okay, so in today, guys, someone said about Fulton, L lag and L Fulton, cause he ended. Watch,
You could
0.25%.
literally,
It is
bro. You
just
could
like Dookie
literally just
brainrot.
get
Bro.
Brainrot
lucky.
gods.
he didn't
Wait,
even.
we
He
gotta get
What
we
ended
the
gotta
it
get
heck? That's
Maxine
gonna
so
be
we
before
can get
so hard
Showdown
to
everything.
Maxine
do.
us.
Look, he ended L lag and L Fulton.
Trade your favorite crypto app.
So in today we're gonna go to early bird. It's gonna start at 2, so it's gonna start in 3 minutes. Okay. And guys, my last video, I don't know how I got 47 views or 50 views. Oh my god, to be a minion. Well, how much subscription on for Brandon has? Oh wait, bro, earlier I saw it has like 1.4 million. Subscription on me used to have that. Okay, start for now. Okay, this is what my base looked like. Cause oh wait, and also my me got Tito. We gotta wait for early bird. Yo, it's good. So he had a 6-7. Bro, my base is locked. Hmm. Hmm. Let's use my total so that is 23 million per second. But I think I know why he's taking it. Because he doesn't want me to rebirth. Okay, bro, this looks so cool. Bro, look, it literally has it.
Glorbo fruttodrillo.
Yo, fuse. I want him to fuse. I want him to fuse. I want him to fuse. And also, PPK. I'm gonna sell it. And oh my god, look at this rainbow Tim cheese. Isn't that cool? Okay. He's not fusing. Yeah, I'm blocking it. Cause bro, it's gonna be early bird just in a minute. Just a minute. Okay. I got PPQ spawn. I don't want that. I might take it later. What should I buy? I could buy this, but I mean, my mom just bought me Robux earlier, so I have 64 Robux. Okay, early bird. Is there any new brainrots too? So the Hydra still the number one. Early bird, come on. Wait, is it gonna be early bird at 2:30? Is it gonna be early bird at 2:30? Don't tell me. Cause my last no early bird video at 5, it was like Taco Tuesday, and at 5:30 he spawned it. I don't know why he spawned it in 30 minutes. I don't want no damn PP Kiwi. They should ban this. Oh my god! Stop! Oh, okay, that's booty. I don't want no damn $1 per second. For strawberry elephant. Cause imagine a strawberry elephant spawn, bro, that'd be crazy. Oh my god, look at this. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. If the beauty spawns, I gotta end the video. I gotta end it. I'm gonna end it if it spawns. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, just spawn it! Okay, I don't know when to end it. I'm gonna end it. Yep, yep.